The wrap tool can be used to add effects to your shape or artwork. This tool is located in the group of Width tool. So click and hold to open up the pop-out menu where you can find the wrap tool. So the list of tools which are located in this group are also called liquify tool, and they can be used to add some cool effect to your artwork. So let's use the wrap tool. Here I have drawn a basic ellipse on the artboard. In order to apply the wrap effect, you have to first select the shape using the selection tool. This circle here is the brush size. You can change the brush size by pressing the Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows and moving your mouse inward to decrease the size or outward to increase the size. And if you press both the Shift and Alt key at the same time, you can constrain the size of the brush. Now what you have to do is just click and drag to wrap the shape. You can fine tune the properties of the wrap tool if you double click on the wrap tool. So this will open up a dialog box. Here you can change the width of the brush, height of the brush, angle or intensity as per your need.